Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak about the writ petition as filed under Article 226 by the students. Around 16 students of Dharwad, they have made writ petition against Bar Council of India, against Karnataka State Law University, against Department of Higher Education, against UGC, University Grants Commission. These are the four against they have made the writ petition under Article 226. Why they have filed the writ petition? As you all know, recently that KSLU have been released that examination notification that even semester, all kind of semesters will be going to held on 18th October 2021. So here the thing is that Article 14 and Article 21 they have made filed against the what I've told KSLU, BCI, UGC and Department of Higher Education. They have given various notification regarding the LLB examinations, conducting LLB examination. Various notification have been released. That all notification ground of Article 14 and Article 21 they have filed the writ petition. The petitioner's request is the KSLU to be withdrawn the examination notification. They have to promote, like there are many uh, other degree courses have been already promoted even semesters like engineering, any kind of BA, BCom, BSc degree. They've already got promoted, especially even semesters, what we call like second semester, fourth semester, sixth semester, like that. They have been promoted. So likewise, here also they have to get promote on the basis of internal marks and as well as the previous marks of 50 is to 50 they have to get promote on the basis of 50 is to 50 they have to get promote. Why they are requesting means due to the pandemic situation most of the students are from rural background. They didn't get any online classes. They could not able to attend the classes due to pandemic situation, so they are unable to write the examinations since they have not completed the syllabus, since they have not studied proper well due to pandemic situation. Due to this, article 14 and article 21, on the basis of they have filed the writ petition. This is the fundamental rights which we require. Students are required due to the pandemic situation as well as equality. Right to equality we required because all other semesters students have been promoted. Why we can't? Like that they have challenged and then they have writ petition have been filed. It's in process. Case not yet been closed and even High Court of Karnataka they have not released any orders. It's in process. It's in what we call it's in process. So we have to wait for the results. What will be and what could be in the after receiving the award from the High Court of Karnataka. So my advice is to please don't think about all those things, whether it have been filed and whether it what high court will be release the order, that we don't think about much. So in the scenario many of the students what they are thinking, already writ petition has been filed, so they are waiting for the results. Till up to result they doesn't wanted to study for the examination, upcoming examinations. So KSL will be going to conduct examinations or not, that doesn't matter for you all students. My advice is to please go through your studies are very much essential. You required lot of knowledge to improve your curriculum. So improve your knowledge. It is very important that you have to study specifically about our LLB subjects. Whether you're going to conduct or not, that doesn't matter. My advice is to please do study well. Petition, what will be happen, may not be pass or may not be fail, we don't know. As per the how we are going to uh, approach in the court, that is very important. We cannot say what will be the decision given by the court. We have to wait and see. Till that time, you should not confusing about whether going to conduct examinations or not. That doesn't matter. You have to, my advice is to please go through well. At least for knowledge purpose also you have to study. And lastly, if the order has been released that they are really going to conduct examination, in that time hurry barely, you should not you cannot study. My advice is to, sincere advice is to please go through each and every bit every day. Each minute is important, each hour is important, each day is important. So my advice is to please do study well. All the best for your upcoming LLB examination, whether going to conduct or not, that doesn't matter. You have to prepare yourself to, knowledge is wealth. If you gain knowledge, you can easily survive anywhere in the world. My advice. So I hope, please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT. I will give best of best videos like this. So I, as per examination, Karnataka State Law University examination, all updates have been given in my all videos. And even most important questions are also available in my YouTube channel. Go through, all subjects are available, law subjects are available. I have created a playlist called most important questions under Karnataka State Law University, 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. Once again, thank you all who have been subscribed to my channel. Thank you.